course, after Julia had fainted, I knew that Sterling was no more a doctor than I was.
How?
I saw him taking her pulse with his thumb.
You did. You didn't know anything about it till I told you.
Well, after all, I did open the bridge while you were lying there like a British heavyweight.
Oh, there you are, sir. I think we can get you at this address for the inquest.
Correct, Commissar.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
That'll be your special, sir. It's due any minute.
Thank you very much.
Do you know, I've an idea you're by no means what you make out to be.
Confidentially, I'm not.
You must be relieved.
Ah, there you are. I'm afraid, old boy, I've been a bit of a...
A bit of her? I think you've been a lot of her.
Well, anyway, if you'll accept my apologies.
Of course.
And you, Gander.
And you, Winthrop. Knobs. We've forgotten about the old bird with her old bird. Oh. Feel better?
I've got a terrible headache.
Don't tell me. You've got a piece of flannel where your tongue should be.
How did you know?
Never mind, the train's in now. You'll soon be safe in Truro.
Good. I'm so glad nothing exciting has happened.
Nothing exciting. I don't know.